Namaste children, today we will discuss the grammar part of English. We will start this grammar part of English. I will deal all the three classes in a single video, that is 8th, 9th and 10th. Why I am taking the single class means, so 8th standard students, if you have not done with this part of grammar, and if you know this part now only, it will be easy for you when you move into the 9th and the 10th standard. So today we will discuss the active to passive voice. So what is active voice? Active voice is nothing but where the subject performs the action expressed by the verb. And what is passive voice? Passive voice, the subject receives the action expressed by the verb. What is subject and what is object? Now the question is, what is subject and what is object? Whenever you get a question like who has done this, who has done this, now who has to be filled with a particular thing, a particular name, like Samir brought a pen. Samir brought a pen. Now, Samir is the subject here and pen is the object here. Did you get? Samir is the subject here. Samir brought a pen. Who brought the pen? The answer will be Samir brought the pen. So, what is the object? Object is the pen. So, Samir is the subject and object is the pen. So, what is brought? Brought is nothing but verb. Samir brought the pen. Subject plus verb plus object. Subject plus verb plus object. SVO. Now, next, what is passive voice? Passive voice is nothing but the voice, the subject receives the action expressed by the verb. So, here the subject receives the action done by the verb. Now, we will take another example. Here, the cat eats fish. This is present tense. Cats eat fish because cat all the time it eats fish. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. This is also a present tense. Now we will come to the cat eats fish. What is the subject here? The subject is the cat. What is the object here? The fish is the object. And what is the verb here? Eats is the verb here. Now there are certain rules which we have to follow while doing active to passive voice. What are the rules? Look here. Identify the subject, the verb, the object. Now, first you have to do is identify the subject. Which is the subject? The cat is the subject. Eats, verb. It is verb. Fish, it is object. So, identify the subject first, the verb, then the object. Then only you can convert this active voice into the passive voice. Now, next point. Change the object into subject. Change the object into subject. What we have to do here? We have to bring this to first and this to last. This will become object and this will become subject. So, the action, the verb changes the voice, the passive into active voice. Now, let's see. Change the object into subject. How you will convert here? Say, fish is eaten by the cat. Fish is eaten by the cat. Now, which is the object here? This is fish, object. This is auxiliary word. Is the auxiliary verb. Eaten is the verb. So whenever you use any verb, you need a helping verb. Helping verb is nothing but auxiliary verb. We call it a auxiliary verb. Like is, the past tense of is was, and be. These are the helping verbs. So fish is eaten by cat. Cat is subject here. Next point. Put the suitable helping verb, auxiliary verb. Helping verb is nothing but auxiliary verb, like is, was, be. There are some certain words you have to use, like by. These are the words you have to put here, apply here. Change the verb into past participle. Change the verb into past participle. Now, verb. What is verb here? Eats. Eats become the past participle part of shape of eat is eaten. Write is written. Then, add the preposition word by. By. By is a preposition. By. You have to write by. Fish is eaten by cat. So, this object verb shows the object that this action is done by this subject. Eating action is done by the subject. What action? Eating by the fish. Fish is the object here and the cat is the subject here. Subject, action and the object. It gets changed. Now, coming to the last. Add the preposition by. You have to add a by. In certain circumstances, in my next video, I will let you know what are the further rules where you need not use by. Oranges are being eaten by them. Oranges. Now tell me which is the subject here and which is the object here. Oranges are being eaten by them. Now, this is a passive voice. Okay. Now, tell me which is the verb here. Verb is eaten. Which is the subject here? They are eating oranges. So, the active voice is they are eating oranges. So, this is the active form of this sentence. Active form of this sentence. They are eating oranges. So, I have converted this into passive voice. If you convert this into passive voice, it will be like this. Oranges are being eaten by them. So, they is the subject. Are is the helping verb. Eating is a verb. And oranges is the subject. So, first, whenever there is the verb like words like being, being is used, you always have to, eating is used, you always have to use being. They are singing. They are singing a song. A song is being sung by them. They are singing a song. A song is being sung by them. So, first of all, you have to by heart the rules. Just look into the rules. Keep it in your mind so that you should be very thorough about these 5 rules. First rule, identify the subject, the verb and the object. Second rule, change the object into subject. And the third rule, put the suitable helping verb, that is auxiliary verb. And fourth rule, change the verb into past participle. And fifth rule, add the preposition by. So, these are the 5 rules you must follow when converting an active voice into passive voice. So, further examples with examples in the present tense, past tense and future tense. How you have to change? Present simple tense, present past tense, present past perfect tense. All these things I will discuss in the next video. Till then, by heart these 5 rules and try to make some more examples and solve and convert this active into passive voice. Till then, take care. Namaste.